Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have also had an update. A couple of you have been asking what it is about Firefox. Firefox this week had a small update that updated its version number to 119.0.1. So it was released late on September 7th. We're the 9th, so it's still rolling out. Somebody had it today, actually. So if you go into Firefox, you go into the upper right corner in the hamburger menu. You go to Help and About Firefox. That's where it's going to update. No security fix in here. It's not security at all. And talking security, I had a message about Firefox and how little security updates it seems to have compared to Google Chrome. And I'll answer probably the same thing as other platforms that are less popular, because it's a browser that's less popular than Chromium-based browsers, which include, when you remove Firefox, 90+% of all the browsers are Chromium-based, which means if you find a flaw in the Chromium engine, you find a flaw on every browser that's used almost. So the people that will try to find flaws will of course attack Chromium first. It's the most lucrative. It's the one that's going to actually affect the maximum amount of people, give you a good chance of maybe getting into a computer, hacking, ransomware, so on. So that's probably a numbers game. Not as many security researchers are actually attacking Firefox, so maybe that is one of the reasons why they are finding less security flaws in it. So this is just bug fixes. Fixes several little things about how the web pages display with HTML and CSS, which is the one of the features of how code exists in web pages, which is the cascade sheets, cascade style sheets. And so it's the way that the web pages are designed. So apparently there are some flaws in the way that it was interpreting some of the code, and it was creating problems for some. So it's a very small update, fixes a little thing. So if you had a few problems with maybe the way web pages displayed or error codes, this probably fixes that. So just a bug fix for the web. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.